Hello everybody, I am Alejandro Fernandez and today we are going to study the verb to be. The verb to be is the most irregular verb in the English language. It is normally a linking verb showing existence or the condition of the subject. The form of this verb depends on the personal pronoun used. This verb can be conjugated as am, is, or are. I am, he, she, it, is, you, we, they, are. We use it generally to introduce ourselves or others. For example, I am Alejandro, she is Helen, he is Carlos, and so on. The verb to be can be used in three forms: affirmative, negative, or interrogative. Here, we are only going to focus on the affirmative form. I am Alejandro. He is a teacher. She is a teacher. It is a book. You are a teacher. We are teachers. They are teachers. I hope you understand this topic and can use it in the rest of the course. Thank you very much and goodbye.